guys, it's Stephanie. It is August 9th, and I'm gonna do something very strange. Well, at least you guys might think it's strange. But this is about my childhood fetish. It's rain and inclement weather. I'm going to my community recreation hall parking lot, and it's gonna start raining cats and dogs. And I want to be in the rain because it's so exciting. Being in this rough rain just excites me. It really does. And I came home from work, I took a little nap, I just got up, I made something to eat, but now it just started to thunder and lightning, and the wind is picking up, and I'm gonna go park my car and just be in the rain. All right. Okay guys, so I'm here in my car and I'm just gonna listen to this. I get so excited about this. I've never revealed to too many people my fetish. My fetish is not sexual, it's rain. Heavy, heavy rain. And it's coming down good, baby. Ha ha! Oh, doggy. And the palm trees are swaying. They're dancing in the rain. I get so excited when it rains this way. It just gives me this really cozy feeling to be in a small confined space where I can get the first-hand experience to feel and see the rain pounding on the glass. You hear that? When I was a little kid, I used to stay with my grandmother when my parents went to work. And when it rained like this, I used to run upstairs to the bedroom because the window was so close to the floor, and I would sit there with a pillow watching the rain come down like this. It would take me to a different time, which I couldn't explain. Just the sound of the rain hitting the glass excites me. It really does. sometimes I find myself in the living room watching a movie and it would start raining like this. You know what I do? I pause the movie and I get near a window and I become a witness to this Mother Nature stuff. To me, it's more exciting than watching a movie. To be able to be in the middle of this. You guys are probably saying, you're such a flake. Yeah, I mean, I could have been in the house, on the couch, wrapped up with a blanket, but I'd rather be out here. And that's lightning, baby. That sounds like surround sound. I am such a kid at heart. Right now, in this instant, there's nothing else more exciting to me than in the car, confined space, as close as I can to this weather without getting wet. I don't want to get wet. But all my windows are up, and the hitting of the glass with the rain all around me makes me feel relaxed and calm inside while I have a big smile on my face. Just can't beat it. I have all the windows up, but they're all down about 1 inch because I have the wind visor on all 4 windows. I can lower it without getting any rain inside the car. I think you guys know I love rain because a lot of my videos I have rain at the start and the opening of my videos. And yeah, it's pretty obvious. Sometimes I purposely turn on my radio or TV and go to the weather channels to find out if we're gonna get some rain. It's free, guys. It's free. If I was to move out of Florida, I will not see this kind of rain, this magnitude, ever again. In Florida, it's very subtropical, so we get a lot of rain like this. If I had a blanket, I'd be like all wrapped up in my blanket in my car right here, in my neighborhood. I have to be in an enclosed area to get that cozy feeling, and the rain coming down and the water bouncing off my windows. The other thing I like is the rain coming down and bouncing off a steel roof. That is awesome. Whoa, baby! Haha. That was awesome. That's the biggest one so far. This is what I mean about me being a simple person. I am simple. Look at what excites me. Whoa! There was a big lightning right in front of me. You just can't beat it. Mother Nature has her way of entertaining me. If it could just pick up a little bit more. I always want a little bit more. It's never enough. God. That was like cutting through the sky. That was like cutting through the sky, like tearing a big telephone book or a page. I was just thinking, my selfie stick is made of metal, but I'm inside the vehicle. I'm not out in the highest point where this thing's sticking up in the sky. Because this thing could get hit by lightning if I was there doing that. Outside in the rain, like a golf club sticking up. No, I'm not doing that. That was a big bolt. It's like Zeus. Sounds like Godzilla gurgling. There's some really black clouds over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. If that rain would just pick up a little bit harder and faster, it would be just perfect. It was worse than this earlier when I came out here. I think it's starting to slow down a little bit. So now you guys know what my fetish is. Rain and loud thunderstorm with lightning. I like it. I'm not like a storm chaser by any means. That's just too ridiculous for me. I like just sitting still and listen each drop hitting the glass or the roof. I become very, very, very childlike when this happens, because that side of me when I was a kid has not gone away. It's still there. Just because I'm older, my body's older, doesn't mean that the things I liked when I was a kid have to change. They don't. And this is how people are generally. Okay? Why do we have to change when we get older? Some of those things that we find intimate to us, that we enjoy, that is comforting, should always remain with us. We should always express that. Because every time it rains, that's what happens to me. The memories of when I was a little child comes back. And I want to do those things that I like to do. I've actually called in sick one time when I knew it was going to rain like this. Hey, what are sick days for, right? Call in sick. Be honest with your boss. It was raining too hard, boss. I couldn't go in. The roads were slick. Nah. So I think that's enough. And I'm gonna go home. I just had my supper. And I'm gonna slip in a movie and then slouch on a couch. I was hoping to ride my bike this evening, but it's not a good idea because I'll be like a fried person on a bicycle. Okay? Riding a metal bike when it's raining like this, getting all wet, becoming a superconductor for the lightning. Not a good idea. So anyways, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed my fetish. And I'll be talking to you guys real soon.